Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get saber and block shoots. So, first of all, you got to go to jungle. So, just follow me to jungle. I hope I got it right. And then you got to press 5 buttons. They're hidden around the map. I'll show you where they are once I get there. By the way, Blades, if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe. I don't know, if it helps me, and it's really simple. All you gotta do is just click that button. Okay, so we're almost there. So yeah, tell me in the comments what fruit you guys use, because Blade's kind of slow but good, in my opinion. Okay, but so you gotta press these 5 buttons. The first one is over here. I haven't saber course on this account, so let's see. The first button's over here. You need to click it like that. It won't always light up. Second one is in here, in what is it? This area. Don't know what it's called, but it's behind this tree. If I can. Let me touch it. I can't. Okay, there we go. Alright, you gotta go. There's a button like somewhere around the shore, which is the third button. Okay, it's on. I'm getting lost. It's on the opposite side, I think. Yep, I am lost. Chap, let me just think. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I remember how to do it now. So, the area is actually here. Where is the shore? There we go. It should be somewhere here. There we go. You gotta step on it. Just step on it a couple times. Okay, so the 5th one is over here. That button is not here. Did they remove Saber Quest? Well, I think they removed Saber Quest, right? So what's meant to be there? One second, chat. Chat, I remember it's near Gotcha. If I can get back my screen again. It's in Gotcha. So I think it's this one. What do you know? Of course it's not. The game hates me. So you can't even see it, but to be exact, it's here. So you go there, one log there, then the next log here, and you just go in the end and jump, because I can't find it without that. But now, that was like the hardest part, so don't worry. Now you gotta go under here, and it would unlock this area. By the way, you need to be level 200 to get Saber, so yeah. You might want to get to level 200 first. By the way, I'm making this video about the grind. Yeah, watch it, because I kind of want it to be popular. So, first of all, yeah, so this is how to get Saber. First of all, watch this video before you go out, because, yeah, just, because what's the point then? So, then you got to go to desert, if I can find it. Desert. Okay, where is desert? First we're gonna find pirate starter. Because this is how I find it. If I'm absolutely lost today. Because I'm lost. Okay, that's desert. And see the little spike. It's just that way. We just gotta keep on spinning. We just gotta keep on spinning. Okay, there it is. There's a Buddha user there. Yeah, be careful sometimes when you go in desert, as you can see. There's a awakened Buddha. You do not want to get in the hands of that. So, oops. So you do not want to go there. I recommend when you get near, you see a awakened Buddha, you go under. So he doesn't see you and think he's a... Did he see me? You better not. Okay, he didn't see me good. Because if he kills me, you have to do all this again. Quick. Quick before the Buddha user sees me. Now I gotta get the torch and stick it to the thing. And I think, I don't know. It says, it's all you see for the color. Okay. So, just don't read that. Watch this. So, we got a cup. An average British cup. Then you're gonna get your thing. Run. Oh my god, big run. Okay, so now you're gonna go to Frozen Village. First of all, I'm running away from him because I'm dead if I go. So, there we go. I'll tell you when I'm there. Okay, I see a Snow Village, so let's just go there. Once we go there. I hope I don't have enough energy. So you gotta go to Snow Village and you gotta find the hole. This way, the black thing. You might think you don't go through it. You go through it. The ability teaches it also. And this is also where you can find ice and viral. But that's not where we're here today. We gotta stick out the cup, find the droplet, and fill the cup. Okay, as you can see, mysterious green liquid in here. Now with that, we got the mysterious green liquid. When you go up, make sure no one sees us. Then you restart the entire process. Quickly go in here, feed it to the sick man. Get drink. Thank you so much. Please meet up with a son. I'm sure he will reward you. Yep. And that son is in Pirate Village, so quick. Here's Kitsune. Why am I standing here? Yes, Kitsune. No, break. I'm not gonna try, please. I feel like I'm cooked. Yeah, you need to be really careful when doing this quest. Because one little mistake will cost you the entire process again. I'll tell you when I'm in Pirate Village. Okay, we are at Pirate Village, and you have to be level 2 to do this quest. I know I've said that already, but yeah. Or else it won't work. So, honestly, I want to see. Oh, frick. First, we'll just eliminate this because this will annoy you if you don't. Wow, we just cooked that. So you gotta go to this rich man. Yes, he's very rich, I know. And thanks for helping me. Can you find and take down this dude? And yeah, I guess we're now bounty hunters, even though we're pirates right now. But you gotta find this black thing in the ocean. It's better if you use a turnable fly fruit, not like light, to look around the island. I think it's in near the green area. Oh, there it is. As you can see, it's really small. I don't think you can see it just yet, but yeah, you can see like a bit of it. That thing there is where the tiny little boss is. That's 125. I killed Schwartz, so I think I should be alright. I could two-shot him on my old account. I guess I can fly. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. No, I couldn't move for a sec. Okay. So, now that you're here, you might get low from the seeds, so just wait until you get full health. But if you're Sigma like me, just don't try and find the opening to this. If there even is one at this point. Yep. And then you gotta cook him. Like, just skill him up. Skill him up. I just say skill. I'm about to die. You don't want to die because you'll restart the process. I'm stuck. Where is he? Okay, and he is about to die. Wait. Die. Okay. Now let's just talk to Richman, which we already know. Actually, no. I'm dips on that on that blue chest. Okay. Don't do Shamir because this is about the grind also. So I'm trying to get Buddha straight from this block dealer because he got it from the prison and I kind of need it from the prison thing right now. I know you might be watching this not at the prison event, but it's 2024 prison event. He got Blizzard and Buddha in the same day. No way I'm letting that slide. I need Buddha. I know I have Blade, but he has Blade also. He has better fruits, but I'm better level. He's only 175. And we've both played, only together. Okay, Richman. Now he'll give you a crucifix or something. A relic. Which looks like a crucifix, so change it into a crucifix. So, and then you gotta go to jungle, which I can't find. I'll just tell you when I get to jungle. Okay, I can see jungle, so we're about to be there. And you gotta go with that relic to the gacha. Do not rule. I mean, you can rule, but, it's a waste of money. Save up for fruit stock and, I don't know, maybe get Buddha. And you're lucky Kitsune, but that's, in your dreams. That's probably never gonna happen. So you don't go exactly to there. It's creepy. You gotta go here. Quick. And then you gotta go here. And then you unlock this, and now you gotta server hop. Wait, wrong game. Chat, wrong game. That was embarrassing. We went the wrong game. Okay, so. Wait, what's your one X-Men? What's it? Pirates. Then you're going to go here. Back again. And you see this little dude. Wow, I wonder who that is. Maybe it's Shank. I don't know if I kill him. Maybe he'll only have one arm. Let's see. Never mind, he's strong. Pin him to the floor. Ow. But that raid saber does nothing. What am I worried about? Oh, I barely dodged that. Looks like stunning now, which is not helpful. I'm so low. He's gonna do it, yeah. I can't regen. He doesn't let me regen. Okay, I don't think he does it. It's a guarantee thing. So you gotta quickly go back in session because now we have full health. Because if you die once, it restarts. And yeah, just make the infinite loop of death. Oh, if you're bored, just combo wombo. Combo wombo. Frick, I'm cooked. Okay. It's a lot harder as a mob leader, as you can see. Because I actually died. One time. Wait, can I just kick him? I want to just launch him. Okay. No, he's my kill. Saber's mine. As you can see, now I got Saber. Luckily, I had this thing because I just got it. But look, you get Saber. One second. Saber. And yeah, you want to get the mastery for it because it's really good. And yeah, that's the end how to get Saber. Peace out, chat, and watch the grind.